हेलो नमस्कार, मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका स्वागत करता हूं केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल पर, पर्टिकुलर रिगार्डिंग टू द वीडियोस ऑफ द केमिस्ट्री रिगार्डिंग एज a class 11th 12th NEET and IIT also. In previous videos we have discussed a lot of topics and your love is you are giving me a lot of support and your love continuously, so please being this continue means पर्टिकुलर इसी टाइप से आपका प्यार मुझे मिलता रहे, नो डाउट मुझे सपोर्ट मिलता रहेगा कंटिन्यूसली। आपका हर एक टॉपिक आपके लिए विजय कुमार यूं ही कंटिन्यू डालता रहेगा। उस कंटिन्यूस सीरीज में ही मैं बात करूं तो पर्टिकुलर कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड के रिगार्डिंग हमने बात की। जस्ट स्टीरियो आइसोमेरिज्म में ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म फॉर द कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड हैविंग कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 4। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द just geometrical isomerism for the compound having the coordination number 6. For the coordination number 6, this is the geometrical isomerism. And this is for coordination number 6. For coordination number 6, geometry will be octahedral. How? We'll go with the further. Just you can go. This is the octahedral geometry. This is square. This is the M, central metal atom. This is your L as a ligand. Listen me carefully. These are the other 4 ligands, so total number is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you will go with the just octahedral geometry, then it is also called as just square bipyramidal. And regarding to just coordination number 6, we can take a lot of possible formulae. So these are the possible formulae. What are they? First is your M, just A4 B2. Second possible formula is your MA3 B3. Third possible formula is your MAA2 B2. These are the 3 important formulae regarding to just geometrical isomerism in coordination number 6. So first of all, we'll go with the formula MA4 B2. This is the M like this at the center. These are the above the plane and below the plane, and this is your M at the center, above the plane and below the plane. If you will go with the just A4, then these will be as follows. If they are as follows, AA and BB. Along this axis, if same ligand are at the angle of 180 degree, then this is called, as we have discussed, transform. This is the transform. If you will go with the cis form, then you can keep this B over here, then it will be 90. This B may be over here, then it will be 90. This B may over here, then this will 90. This B may over here, then this will also 90. Then that is called as just your cis form. So this is your B, this is your A, this is your A, this is your A. I am removing this A from here to here, and B is here. So this is the 90 angle, this is the 90 angle, this is the 90 angle. That's why it is called as cis form. Cis form. If we'll go with the example, then as an example we can take CO. This is your NS3 whole 4 Cl2. This is your plus. Many of the students are confused regarding to keep the ligands. So listen me carefully. This is the cobalt like this square. This is the cobalt above the plane. This is the below the plane. This is your cobalt at the center. One of the above the plane, another below the plane. Now the time to keep the ligands. If we'll keep them as follows: NS3, 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 this is the Cl and Cl. Here will be bracket and positive charge. Then this is called as transform. This is the transform. And if we'll keep one of the Cl either over here, over here, over here, over here, there are 4 positions. You can keep their Cl, then it will be cis form. So this is the Cl, this is the NS3, this is the NS3, NS3, this is the NS3, and this is the Cl. Then this is your plus charge. So this will be your cis form. So student, this was regarding to the formula as a MA4B2. Remember one thing, during this formation of this cis form, you can keep the another this में और like this. ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आप इससे बॉटम वाले Cl को रिमूव ना करें, तो आपने इसको यहाँ से यहाँ शिफ्ट कर दिया, NS3 यहाँ गया, ये Cl यहाँ जाए, NS3 यहाँ जाए, ये Cl यहाँ जाए, NS3 यहाँ रिमूव हो जाए, ये Cl यहाँ जाए और NS3 यहाँ जाए, then it will also just as a cis form. Now we'll go with the second formula, that is your Ma3B3. So this is the regarding to Ma3B3 second. This is the second formula, as you can say Ma3B3. This is your second formula, Ma3B3. If you will go with the just Ma3B3, then there will two specific isomer, not cis and trans. It will be one of the facial isomer, and another meridional isomer. It is, in short, it is called as face isomer, and this is called as mer isomer. How? For the just coordination number 6, geometry will again your octahedral. So these are the structure as a geometrical isomers. This is one of the M. This is the one of the M as a metal atom. These are the above the plane and below the plane. Facial means having same ligand on a particular face. So this is the A, this is your A, this is your A. Same on a particular face. Like this. And this is the B. So this is the same on a particular face. That's why it is called as face isomer. But at this meridional line, both are different ligand. So it will keep the same ligand over here on a meridional line, then it will be mer isomer. So we can remove A from here to here. Then it will be as follows. This is your A, this is your A, this is your B, this is your B, this B, and A shifts over here. Then it is called as mer isomer. There are two isomers regarding to Ma3B3 as a facial and meridional isomer. If we'll go with the example, then this is the example: CO NS3 whole 3 Cl3. If you have forgotten the name of the compound, then its name is triamine trichlorido cobalt third. So the structures will be as follows. This is the cis and trans, you can say as a cis. Here will be your face isomer. So this is your cobalt, this is your cobalt, and these are the three ligands on a particular phase. This is your again your cobalt, and these are the above the plane and below the plane. This should be totally straight from here, not to be here. So this is the Cl, Cl and Cl. You can keep NS3, NS3 and NS3. These three NS3 may be over here, 1, 2 and 3. Both are same, and these three Cl may be over here. So this is the phase isomer. Phase isomer. Now we'll go with the meridianal. So exchange of just NS3 with this Cl. This is your over here, one of the Cl. This is the Cl. Then this is your NS3, 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 and this is the Cl. Then this is called as mer isomer. This Cl may be from over here also. यहाँ से भी आप इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. Then it will also mer isomer. So this was about the regarding to second formula as a Ma3B3. Now the time to discuss about your third formula, that is your MAA2B2. What is the meaning of AA and B2? AA is your bidentate ligand and B2 is your monodentate ligand. So being game will go properly. This is the third formula as MAA whole to B2, where A bond A is a bidentate ligand and B is your monodentate ligand. So coordination number, total number is 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, it will be 6. Geometry will be octahedral, that's why this is the square, 2 of the square. For the one of this is another trans. This is the CO. You can keep here. We are taking here M. That's why here will be M. This is your M. Another metal atom. Above the plane, below the plane. Same above the plane and below the plane. We have to keep the two same ligand with the angle of 90 degree. Then we can keep them over here BB. This is the 90. One of the bidentate ligand with the 90, A bond A. This is the another ligand with the angle of 90, A bond A. This is your cis form. This is your cis form. And it will keep them at the angle of 180 degree like this. B and B at the angle of 180 degree. And just A bond A as a bidentate ligand like this. This is A bond A. Then this is called as transform. Transform is like this. If we'll go with the example, then we can take the important example. This is the CO En whole to Cl2. This is the plus charge. Again, En is your ethane 1,2-diamine as a bidentate ligand and Cl as a chlorido monodentate ligand. So coordination number is 6. The name of compound, if you have forgotten, bis ethane 1,2-diamine, just chlorido. This is the dichlorido. So the name chlorido will be more prior. So dichlorido, bis ethane 1,2-diamine, cobalt third ion will be the name. If we keep the geometry, then it will be as follows. This is the square. This is the M. And another form will be as follows. this is the above the plane and below the plane. CL with the angle of 90 degree. This is your EN. This is your EN with the angle of 90 degree. Don't use EN two times because of EN is a bidentate ligand. Here A and A both combinedly are known as just bidentate ligand. And here will the positive charge and metal atom will be as a cobalt. Charge will be as a +1. If we'll go with the another form, then that is your as follows. Above the plane and this is the below the plane. Both Cl will be over here. This is the charge +1. This is the En. This is your En at the angle of 180 degrees. So this will be your trans form. So remember one thing, and this is the cis form. So remember one thing, if the same ligand are present at the angle of 90 degree, then those will be as a cis form, and having with the angle of 180 degree, then that will be trans form. So this was regarding to coordinate, just you can say geometrical isomerism regarding to coordination compound as a coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Dhanyawad, Shukriya.